Welcome back, poets. Mrs. Merkin here. Your teachers and I have really been enjoying reading all of your poems this week. You've done a great job at taking some big ideas and putting them into small packages, your poems. Today, we thought it would be a good idea to quickly review what you've learned so far this week. On Monday, you made a list of tiny topics, which had both strong feelings and details. And then on Tuesday, you followed along as Miss Lago showed you how to take a regular object, like a pencil, and instead of just thinking about it as a writing tool, you could use your poet's eyes and think of it in new and exciting ways. We also watched as she chose a tiny topic, cereal, and wrote a poem, paying attention to line breaks and reading it like a poem should be read. Now, yesterday, you were asked to go back to a poem you already wrote and check your spelling by trying to write any words that you weren't sure about in new and different ways. So today, poets, I want to teach you that poetry writers don't just focus on doing one thing at a time when they write a poem. They put all their skills to work at the same time. So first, I'm going to go back to my tiny topic list and choose a new topic to write about. Oh, let's see. I love all of these things, especially the beach. Let's see. I think today, let's write about fireworks. So let's see here. I think the first thing I'll do is add a title for my poem, because poems do need titles, and I'll just call it Fireworks for right now. I can always go back and change it. So let's see. Fireworks cracking the sky, big balls of fire bursting into bloom and fading upon the dark, lonely sky. Nice. I'm done, right? No, I'm not done. I need to go back and reread my poem and think about a few things. Let's see. If I'm going to read a poem, I need to read it like a poet. So I need to see if I can make a picture in my mind and think about, does the writing help me look at the world in new ways? Does it give me a certain feeling or make me think or question? And does my poem have music? So let's go back and take a look. Fireworks. Fireworks cracking the sky, big balls of fire bursting into bloom and fading upon the dark, lonely sky. I think there are a few things here I could try. I think I'm going to try a few different line breaks. So let's see here. Fireworks. Cracking the sky. Big balls of fire. Big balls of fire. Bursting. Oh, I think I'll leave that one all by itself. Into bloom and fading upon the dark, lonely sky. Oh, I think I like that a little bit better. Let me read it again. Fireworks cracking the sky, big balls of fire bursting into bloom and fading upon the dark, lonely sky. I feel like my poem has a little more music now. One of the other things I have to do is check my spelling, though. And I have a few here that I think I need to go back and check. When I look at this word, it looks a little funny to me. I'm going to take off that suffix, ing, and think about how I would spell crack. Oh, I remember, it needs a K. Let's see here. What else looks a little funny? Bloom. I'm going to think about some other ways I could try that. How about this? That looks right. And fading upon the dark, lonely. I put an I in there. That doesn't belong. Friends, I think I'm pretty set now. And I think you have lots of work to do today. One thing you can do, just like what we did here together, is to find the big topics, those big feelings in your own lives. And you can think about a big feeling you have, and then you can find the small moment, detail, or object that holds that big feeling. You can either write new poems today, or you can reread your existing poems, deciding how you can revise them so they do all of these things. So many choices. I bet you're ready, aren't you, writers? Well, off you go.